If you can entertain the girl by talking about topics she likes about, she will feel drawn towards you, right?
Real problem is that most of us men will live at a lower level of consciousness and living.
It's about a moment to them. Can you create that moment? Because sex starts the second you talk to them.
Learn to appreciate the moment of learning, the extreme. And then guess what? You go up to a woman, you're living in the extreme because probably 70% of the men out there don't.
You can always do the same two basic opener things, which is you start off with direct, indirect. Direct, you're so fucking cute. Oh my God, that's great.
Oh, thank you.
Indirect, you're just walking along. Oh my God, that's a great shirt. I can't believe how awesome that is. Where'd you get it? That's indirect. It's not showing interest right away. How did you leave that interaction?
How do I leave it? She keeps a singer, and I say, well, good luck with your singing.
Yeah, so you left, right? Now, to her, she's probably a bit confused by that because you came over, you were confident and all that, and then she's like, well, why is he leaving? Why isn't he finishing his job? Because you guys were making a connection.
No, they're earrings. They're long and they're sparkly, and you have like this nice spot back here where you get to see a nice view of everything. Do you text at all?
Yeah, I do.
If you want to.